Welcome everybody, another amazing listing. This is 360 West Broadway, Unit 408. It's an amazing 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 1,134 square foot condo in the heart of downtown Salt Lake City. Right across the street from the downtown farmers market. You are walking distance to the gateway. You got Tony Caputo's, you got the fish market, an amazing Thai restaurant, and just a really cool community for you to explore. So let's take a look. So you'll see right behind me, you got the kitchen, amazing place to entertain and hang out with your friends. You got bar stool seating, you got some lounge seating here, as well as you'll notice in the corner, you got your actual dining, breakfast, lunch, and dinner seating. So great space. You've got these super tall ceilings that I'll show you here in a second. And right next to you, right next to the door, you get your outdoor patio and morning coffee in the sun spot. Let's continue taking a look. All right, so you'll see here your great little entertaining space. You can really fit some amazing sectional space here. Got your TV right behind me. You got your guest bathroom, about your half bath, one of the 3 bathrooms that you can have your guests enjoy. If not, if they're not staying with you, you hang out, party, enjoy wine, cheese, crackers, tinned fish, whatever floats your boat. And they can use this little half bath with a lot of additional storage as well. So good little use of this space. There's not a lot of wasted space here. You got the good daylight on the south facing walls, so that's really nice. You're not getting direct heat any time of the year straight in here cooking this place up, so it's a really good temperature as well as the amazing views that you'll see. So here's one of the 2 bedrooms in this unit. Really good setup. You got the queen size mattress with the closet behind that I'll show you here in a second, as well as the ensuite. You got a full bath and privacy other than the glass windows. So it's a cool touch, but if you want some privacy, get some curtains. But I'm gonna show you around this bedroom and then we'll go into the final primary bedroom. right, y'all. So that's 360 West Broadway, an amazing listing brought to you by Kenny Nelson and Homeworks. Really appreciate you guys letting me walk through this amazing listing of yours. Really cool studio style apartment in downtown Salt Lake City. Like I said, right across the street from the Saturday's downtown farmers market. Wake up, go get your coffee, go get your pastries, go get your breakfast, go get your groceries for the week. Really cool opportunity to see the entire Wasatch Range out these amazing windows. The ceilings are incredibly high, gives you so much light to enjoy the space throughout the seasons. Got an outdoor patio to enjoy your coffee. You've got this amazing kitchen to entertain guests. You got the seating, the TV, 2 bedrooms, amazing place. So I really appreciate you giving me the opportunity to see this amazing listing and share it with everybody here. Again, everybody here, if you do like this content, you like walking through this house with me, please leave me a like, subscribe, comment down below what you thought of this place so that I can give you more opportunities like this and get to enjoy Salt Lake City and the real estate market even more. I love when you guys comment down below. I really like engaging with you all and hearing what you like, what you don't like. So please reach out, subscribe, hit that bell so that you're notified on the next video. I got some cool videos of the farmers market coming up and some highlights of the community here around 360 West Broadway. Peace. Love you all.